exhibit magnetism. Magnet have two poles, one is north pole and other one is south pole. So this is my first demonstration. There's a human sticked with magnet, coronavirus picture sticked with magnet, road and a house. When a person gets out of his home, corona can chase him easily. So stay home, stay safe. Reason of this is repulsion. Like poles repel. So this is my demonstration to get together. There's a human picture sticked with magnets. When a person get corona, it affects to all of them who are in this party. Avoid social gatherings. Reason of this is attraction. Unlike poles, attract. This is my demonstration 3. There's a human picture sticked with magnet, road and a shop. When the people are standing in social distance, that means they won't get affected by corona. Reason behind this is when the distance between two magnets is greater, then its magnetic field, then they can't attract or repel each other. This is my demonstration 4. There's a picture of Earth, picture of a corona, stay home written and hygiene written. If we maintain hygiene and stay at home, we can throw the corona out of the world. Reason behind this is magnetic levitation. Suspension of an object with no support using magnetic field.